What's the meaning of autonomous? Autonomous. Autonomous.
Autonomous. Autonomous. The term autonomous refers to the ability of a system or device to operate independently without human intervention. This can be seen in various fields, such as robotics, vehicles, and drones, where they are designed to perform tasks without direct human control. The result of this autonomy is increased efficiency, accuracy, and safety, as these devices can adapt to changing situations and make decisions based on pre-programmed algorithms. Autonomous systems can also reduce the need for human labor and enable more complex and advanced applications in different industries.